Hey everyone, welcome back to the Wealth Wave. Today, we're diving into a hot topic: how to use AI agents to generate a steady monthly income. Whether you're into finance, tech, or just looking for passive income ideas, this one's for you. Let's get started. First up, we have AI-powered subscription services. This is like owning a digital ATM, spitting out cash month after month. Think about it. People crave convenience and automation. That's where you come in with your AI-driven tool, providing ongoing value that people are happy to pay for. Let's say you create an AI chatbot that handles customer service inquiries for small businesses. Business owners are always looking to save time and money, right? Instead of hiring a full-time employee, they can subscribe to your AI service for a fraction of the cost. Boom! You've got recurring revenue coming in. Or imagine building an AI copywriting tool specifically for real estate agents. This AI assistant could crank out property descriptions, social media posts, even email campaigns, all tailored to the real estate market. Agents get high-quality content without lifting a finger, and you get that sweet monthly subscription fee. And here's the best part. Platforms like OpenAI's API make it easier than ever to build and sell your own AI software. You don't need to be a coding whiz, just have a solid understanding of your niche and the problems you're solving. Take, for example, an AI-powered financial advisor. Now, I'm not talking about replacing human financial advisors altogether. But think about an AI that analyzes your budget, tracks your spending, and even suggests personalized investment strategies based on your risk tolerance. People are hungry for that kind of personalized financial guidance. And an AI subscription service can deliver it at scale. So, how do you get started? First, identify a niche that's ripe for automation. Look for industries drowning in repetitive tasks or hungry for personalized experiences. Then, research and select the right AI tools and platforms for the job. OpenAI, GPT-3, even Google AI. There are tons of options out there. Finally, package your AI solution as a subscription service and choose a platform to sell it on. Gumroad, Patreon, even your own website. The possibilities are endless. Now let's talk about using AI to conquer the world of affiliate marketing and blogging. This method is all about leveraging AI's content creation superpowers to drive traffic, build an audience, and rake in those sweet affiliate commissions. Imagine this. You've got a blog about personal finance and you're passionate about helping people make smarter investment decisions. But cranking out fresh SEO-friendly content every single day? That's a grind. That's where AI swoops in to save the day. Tools like ChatGPT can generate high-quality blog posts, YouTube scripts, even in-depth product reviews at scale. You feed the AI some keywords, maybe a few talking points, and boom, it spits out engaging content that's primed for search engines and hungry readers. Let's say you're writing about index funds. You could ask ChatGPT to generate a blog post titled 5 Reasons Why Index Funds Are Perfect for Beginner Investors. The AI will whip up an informative and engaging article, complete with relevant examples and data points. You give it a quick once-over, add your personal touch, and hit publish. But it doesn't stop there. You can use AI to generate social media posts that promote your blog, create email newsletters that keep your audience engaged, even write YouTube scripts that break down complex financial concepts in a fun and accessible way. And here's the kicker. Once you've got that steady stream of traffic flowing to your content, you can monetize it through affiliate marketing. Let's say you're reviewing a popular robo-advisor on your blog. You include your unique affiliate link in the review, and every time someone signs up through your link, you earn a commission. The key here is to choose a niche with profitable affiliate programs. Finance, tech, health, travel, these are all gold mines for affiliate marketers. Find products and services you genuinely believe in, create high-quality content that provides value to your audience, and watch those affiliate commissions roll in. Finally, let's explore the world of AI-assisted digital products and online courses. This is where you leverage AI to create valuable digital assets that people are willing to pay for, generating both active and passive income streams. Think about it. The internet is a vast marketplace for knowledge and information. People are constantly searching for solutions, shortcuts, and insights that can help them achieve their goals. With AI as your secret weapon, you can package your expertise into high-demand digital products. Let's say you're a financial whiz with a knack for spotting market trends. You could use AI to create a comprehensive ebook titled The Ultimate Guide to AI-Driven Stock Picking. This ebook could include AI-powered analysis tools, real-time market data, even personalized investment strategies based on risk tolerance. Or imagine creating a membership-based website that provides AI-generated investment reports every month. These reports could leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze market trends, identify undervalued stocks, and provide actionable investment recommendations. Subscribers get exclusive access to your AI-powered insights, and you get that recurring monthly revenue. But it's not just about finance. Let's say you're a fitness guru. You could create an AI-powered workout app that generates personalized workout plans based on individual fitness levels, goals, and even available equipment. The app could track progress, provide feedback, and even offer nutritional guidance, all powered by AI. The possibilities are truly endless. You could create AI-powered resume builders, meal planning apps, even language learning platforms. The key is to identify a need in the market, leverage AI to create a valuable solution, and then package it as a digital product or online course. Platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, and Teachable make it incredibly easy to sell your digital creations. You can even set up your own website and sell directly to your audience. And with AI-driven ad campaigns, you can reach a global market and maximize your earning potential. And there you have it. 3 powerful ways to make money using AI every single month. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ways to build wealth in the digital age. See you in the next video.